Continuing with the exercise that we were doing in the other slide, we have the following. We need to match or we need to select the verb that we use here for each expression. So let's check. Here we have live, watch, be, go to, travel, and buy. So here it says I'd like. So since it says I'd like to live in the USA. We cross this out. Next one says I like by train. So you travel. I'm going to put here I like traveling. I like traveling by train. And in this case, I'm going to cross. No, I'm going to cross this out. Travel. I'm going to cross this out. Okay, next one. I'm going to duplicate this one. I like to the cinema. Go, so I like going. I like going to. Like going to. I like going to the cinema. Okay, I like going to the cinema. I duplicate this one. I cross this out. Go to. Bye bye, go to. Next one. It says computer. I'd like buy. I'd like to buy. I'd like to buy a new computer. So we cross this out by. Next one. I'd like watch famous or be famous. Going to cross out be. And I'm going to use the following. I'd like to be famous. I'd like to be famous. Okay? So in this case, here we have the following. Exercise B. Make questions with you from the sentences in 7A. So the first one. Would you like to live in the USA? So this is the example number one. This is number one. Would you like to live in the USA? Answer would be, in my case, no, I wouldn't. Would you like to live in the USA? No, I wouldn't. It's very it's very boring. Or no, I wouldn't. It's very expensive. Or no, I wouldn't. It's very far. Or whatever you want to answer. So let's make questions and answers. Next one. It says go to the cinema. So in this case, the question is would you like to go? So the question would be would you like to go to the cinema? Would you like to go to the cinema? My answer. No, thank you. I'd rather stay home and watch TV. For example, no, thank you. I'd rather stay at home and watch TV. How about number three? I like going to the cinema. Oh, I did this one. So this is number three. I skipped number two. Let's do number two. So I'm going to duplicate this one. This will be number two. This says like traveling. So it's not do you like. Let's correct this one. Like. Would you like and do you like? It's do you like traveling by train? Do you like traveling by train? The answer for this would be no, I don't. I get I get dizzy. Let's say, no, I don't. I get dizzy. Okay, so that would be number two. I'll write it here. Those are that's my answer. Number two. Number four. Would you like? Let me use this one. Would you like to buy a new computer? Answer. If this is my answer, I would say for me it would be yes, I'd love to. Yes, I'd love to. Comma. Mine's old. For example, yes, I'd love to. Mine is old. This is number four. Says, would you like to buy? Oh, this one's wrong. Would you like to buy? I didn't change it. So let's change it. This is watch. Would you like to watch football on TV? My question that would be, would you like? Let me duplicate this one. Would you like to watch football on TV? My answer would be no. No. I'd rather watch a movie. No, I'd rather watch a movie. Well, let's use I'd prefer to watch, just to use another one. I'd prefer to watch. I'd prefer to watch a movie. Okay? And the last question is would you? Would you like to be famous? We say, would you like to be famous? Would you like to be famous? My answer. No, I'd prefer to be happy, let's say. Okay, so that would be number five. And number six. Okay, to finish this section, we have a series of exercises here. I'm going to just go over here. Let me just go over here. Says, in some words, we don't pronounce every letter. Listen to the ones that are in brackets. For example, in this case, we cross this out. Listen, camera, daughter, suitcase, interesting, sightseeing, no, grandfather, chocolate, and fruit. See, these are silent letters. So we're going to put brackets in the silent letters in the words. For example, we put this one to be right. I'm going to say I'm just going to mark it. I land. You need to put the brackets like this. I'm just going to mark it. Island, friend, vegetables. We drop the E. Vegetables, building. We drop the I. No, sorry. That one's not it. We drop the U. Building. We drop the W. Chew. Sandwich. We drop the D. Hour. We drop the H, or it's a silent H, not that we drop it. Bread. We drop the A, or we don't pronounce the A. Different. Different. We drop this other one. Different. White. Now H. Silent H. Half. Silent L. Okay, so that would be it. So it's W S I E U W D H A F E H, and half we drop the I, but we don't pronounce the L. Half. Okay, so this is the end of this exercise and the section letter 9D.